Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the pound yen has been going down for a while now, but it definitely has not broken structure down yet. So, we definitely do need to still look at this move down as possibly just a pullback to the last move up, especially because of the weekly time frame analysis. I still think there's a very good chance that this is going up to about the 78%, right around the 202 area for a wave C of wave B. So if we're going up for a wave C of wave B, that means that on the 4 hour time frame, this move down probably will make a higher low at one of these fib levels, and it probably will end up continuing the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, I would still be recommending shorts unless we get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level. Now, we kind of missed the fib a little bit, but if it breaks structure to the upside, that definitely would be the evidence I would be looking for to start looking for longs after the break of structure and after the pullback. But if it doesn't break, then I would definitely still be recommending shorts. I mean, this could make a lower high and go down, do something like this, and then later on break structure to the upside. So if you are trading the very short time frames, I would recommend shorts until you do get a break of structure at a fib level. If you're trading like more of a swing trader, day trader, then you're waiting for a break of structure, then you're waiting for a pullback, and then you're going to go long on the pullback for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.